Today guys, I will show you how to add a shipping address on your SHEIN. Easy and quick. Let's start. So first, go open your SHEIN and come here, open your profile. So click on the settings now and you will find this list. Click on address book and click add a shipping address. Click on it like that, and right now you will add here your location. For example, I'm in Morocco, and and your name, your last name, your code postal, and here your address, line 1 and line 2, your city, everything. When you finish, click here. And that's it. I hope guys this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.